somebody rub you wrong, he'll jump right up and say, baby, you don't know who you. I'll give you a piece.
Yeah.
Don't make me lose
Yeah.
my Holy Ghost up in here. Up. My husband is dead. I'm glad.
Yeah.
Listen to this. Listen to this. David was aware of his condition. And we know David. We know. Come on now. We know David. David was an adulterer and a murderer.
Yes, sir. Much blood on his hands.
Yeah, he was. But I just believe that David had a legal proceeding that kind of got them all divorced.
Come on now.
I believe David got one more and said, oh yeah, she dead. And I believe you want to see it. You want to see it with David. It was Michal, who was Saul's daughter. It was her who said, I don't like the way you worship David. You really showed yourself vile before the handmaids today as you danced. And I heard David say, you ain't seen
Yeah.
nothing yet.
Yeah.
Honey, you just watch me a little while longer.
Yeah.
You think I danced hard this time? Next time God calls my number, you
Yeah.
ain't gonna be able to stand me. If I'm the woman, I let my mascara run.
Yeah.
I break off my weed.
Yeah.
Give him some glory. I give him all out. If I were a brother, I let my Armani suit sweat the drops run off it.
Yeah.
I give him.
Yeah.
Husband is dead.
Yeah.
I'm glad. What used to hold me has got to let me go. What used to wake me up at the midnight hour